Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. Myself Vanita once again here for your revision class. My dear students, as you know, examination is not long far off. Means it is just near to you. You are approaching to your examination. So be energetic and prepare yourself for the forthcoming examination for scoring best marks. So I am going to start your revision class. Be ready for it. Be energetic for it. Let's start the class. My dear students, today your topic is beaks and claws. I am going to give the revision of the chapter beaks and claws. Next, start the beaks. As you know, birds eat grains, seed, fruits and flesh, and they use their beak to eat such things, and they also use the beak to catch and hold fish. Birds have no teeth. Their beak help in tear, biting, chiseling and crushing of the food. And different birds have different types of beak. Means all the birds have not same type of beaks. Its shape, size is depends upon their food habit. Whatever food they are eating, such type of beaks are found on the bird. Some birds use their beaks to fight with the enemy or catch the prey or use it for cleaning the feather. In this way, you can say that beaks are very useful for the birds. They help in eating and doing different types of works. On the basis of shape and works, beaks of birds can be classified into following types. Means there are different types of beaks. I am going to give the revision of such beaks. First one, crushing beak, curved beak, parsing and tearing beak, sifting beak, chiseling beak, probing beak, sticky beak. Function of different types of beaks are different. They birds use different types of birds use different such beaks to do different types of work. Your first, crushing beak. Many birds have crushing beak. They are strong, short and hard beaks. Crushing beaks are short and hard. Birds use crushing beak for crushing grains and shape to make it soft. Example, pigeon and sparrows. They have crushing beak to crush the different types of seeds. Next one, curved beak. Many birds have curved beak. As its name tells, this type of beaks have curved front side of curved. Curved beak helps a bird in cracking fruits and nuts. Example, parrots. They have curved beak. Third one, piercing and tearing beak. Birds which feed on flesh of other animals have piercing and tearing beak. Means birds which eat flesh of the animals having tearing beak. It helps in tearing the flesh. Piercing and tearing beaks are hard, strong and curved in structure. Its shape is curved. These types of beaks help birds in piercing and tearing off flesh of other animals which they have to feed. Example, eagle and vulture, because both of them are flesh-eating animals. Birds. Sifting beak. Many birds have sifting beak. These type of beaks are flat and broad with small holes are present on both sides. Birds having sifting beak take in muddy water which has small insect and worms. Means muddy water have in small insects and worms, and sifting beaks helps them to pick such small insects and worms from the mud. The mud and water flow through the holes. Mud flow through the holes and trapping the insects and worms in the beak. Example, ducks have sifting beak. Chiseling beak. Many birds have chiseling beaks. Chiseling beaks, they are long, straight and strong. Means its main feature is long, straight and strong. They have chiseling beak to pick insects from the wood. It means from wood they are picking the insects. Example is woodpecker. Next one, probing beak. Some birds like hummingbird, the sunbird and the hoopie have a long and slender beak. They suck nectar from flower while hoopie takes out insects and worms from the holes in the ground. And hummingbirds have probing beak. Next one, sticky beak. Many birds which feed on small insects have sticky beak. Sticky beaks are broad, means its a special feature are they are small, broad and strong. As the name says, sticky beaks are sticky from inside, and these sticky birds helps birds to catch insects during flight. An example have is swallows have sticky beak. In this way, you have you known about the different types of beaks and their function is different. It helps them to catch the insects and to catch the food. My dear student, next one is feet and claws. Birds use their feet and claws in walking, climbing, holding foods, swimming and poaching. Birds use their claws for self-defense also. Self-defense means self-protection. The shape of their feet and claws depends upon their food habit. Whatever food they are having, shape will depend upon this. Claws have long curved nails. As the nails present in our hand, they have also nails in their claws. According to shape and size, feet and claws are of different types. Now, birds of prey. Birds of prey, also known as raptors. Birds of prey are feed on flesh of other animals and hence their feet and claws are adapted according to their food habits. Means it is modified according to their food habit. Preying birds have strong and sharp claws to catch and hold the prey firmly. Means these strong and sharp claws help them to hold the animals firmly and carry them firmly. Vulture, eagle, hawk and owl, it is all are the example of preying birds. They feed on the flesh of other animal. These birds catch their prey while they are flying. In this way, feet and claws are the helpful for the birds. Due to this, feet and claws, they do different types of functions. Perching birds. Example, sparrow, pigeons and crows. They have long and slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. It means total 4 toes are present. 3 are found in front and 1 at the back. Their toes curl around the branches. It means they catch the branches with the help of this perching claws or a wire and hold it firmly. Swimming birds, ducks and penguins, they are the example of swimming birds. They have webbed feet. In these feet, fingers are joined with thin membrane. Net-like structure is found within the fingers of the birds, which help to push water during swimming. Ducks are good swimmers, but only they can walk slowly. wading birds, crane and jacana. They have long legs and wide spreading toes. This helps them to walk in shallow water or mud. The widely spread out toes prevent their body from sinking in water. Due to this spread out toes, their body, it prevents their body and they do not sink in water. So crane and jacana are the wading birds. My dear students, next topic is the scratching birds. Some birds like hen, they have strong feet with 3 toes in front and one at the back. If claws are present in these toes, each toe they are sharp and they help to scratch the ground, means in digging the ground in search of seeds which is present in the soil, and insects are also present in the soil, and hen scratch this ground with the help of this claws, and they take seeds or insects from the soil. Next is climbing birds. Example is woodpecker and parrot. They are climbing birds. In these birds have only 2 toes. They are pointing forwards and 2 are pointing at the backwards. These types of claws help birds to climb on trees and to catch the insects. These are all about the claws of the bird which help them in different types of functions. They perform functions with the help of these claws and toes. Now students, it's the time of practice work. We will do the practice work and enhance our knowledge, and it will also help us to achieve or to score good marks. More and more practice will make us perfect in different subjects. So it is must for you, take out your notebook again and again, note down the question and solve different types of questions. So first question is fill in the blanks with suitable bird. First one, birds have dash shaped body. Answer is boot. Birds have 2 types of feather, that is down feather and flight feather. Pigeon and sparrow have crushing beak. Parrots have curved beak. Dash is a bird which cannot fly, that is penguin. Swallow catches flies while flying. Ducks and penguins have webbed feet. Next one, crane and jacana are wading birds. Ducks are water birds. Climbing birds use their toes to catch the insects. Eagle and vulture have strong and sharp claws. Down feather keep bird's body warm. Next type of question is, my dear students, true and false. All of you know about it. True statement, you have to write true. False statement, you have to write false. So first one, birds have light hollow bones and strong muscles. This is true. Birds do not have teeth. True statement. Birds like sparrow and pigeon have curved beak. No, this is false, because sparrow and pigeon have crushing beak. According to their food habit, beaks are of different types. Yes, it is true. Birds use their beak to catch and hold food. True. Vulture have sticky beak. No, false. Vulture have piercing and tearing beak, because it is flesh-eating birds. Next one, swallow catches fly while flying. This is true statement. It is remaining portion. Question 9. Eagle and vulture have strong and sharp claws. It is true. Duck and penguin cannot swim in water. It is false. Correct statement is they can swim in water. Swallow catches its prey while swimming. False. No, it catches its prey while flying. Birds of prey are also known as raptors. Yeah, this is true. Birds which feed on flesh of other animal have piercing and tearing beak. It is true. All birds fly. No, all birds cannot fly. Some birds cannot fly. An example is ostrich. Question 15. Birds do not have hands and teeth. It is true. They have claws and they do not have teeth. Another type of question is write the one word answers. Write the name of birds. Birds have sifting beak. Answer duck. Birds have curved beak. Parrot. Birds have crossing beak. Pigeon. Birds have piercing and tearing beak. That is eagle. Birds have sticky beak. Swallow. What is the name of a swimming bird? That is duck. Which are birding birds? That is crane and jacana. Next one, which is a climbing bird? That is parrot. A bird which cannot fly? That is ostrich. A bird lives in water? That is duck. Birds of prey? That is eagle. Birds with chiseling beak? Woodpecker. Birds with boat-shaped body? All birds. Birds with hollow bones? All birds. Birds which catches its prey while flying? That is swallow. These all are the different types of one word answers. You have to learn it and note down in your copy. Next one, answer the following question. So many questions are given here and you have to write down the answer. First, write the name of some common birds. They are pigeon, sparrow, parrot, eagle and vulture. These all are the different types of birds. You have seen it and you know about it. Write the name of two swimming birds. Ducks and penguin are the name of two swimming birds. Write any three features of birds. All birds have boat-shaped body, all birds have beaks and all of them have two legs. And different features you can also write. How many types of feather does a bird have? There are two types of feather in a bird. That is down feather and flight feather. Down feathers are fluffy and they keep their body warm, and flight feathers mainly are found mainly in the wings and helps in flying. How do feathers help the birds? Down feather cover the bird's body and keep it warm. Flight feather helps birds to fly and change the directions. Question. Dear students, next question 6. What features do help birds to fly? Means what are the special features found in bird which help them to fly? And these special features are wings, down feather, hollow bones, strong muscles and boat shaped of the body help birds in flying. Next, what are the uses of beaks? Birds use their beaks for catching and taking the food, tearing of flesh, and it is a defense tool, means it protect themselves with the help of beak while fighting with their enemies. Write the name of the birds which have crossing beak. They are pigeon, sparrow, etc. have crossing beak. Write the name of the bird which have sticky beak. Swallow has sticky beak. It catches its prey while flying. Duck has which type of beak? Duck has sifting beak. What is the feature of sifting beak? Sifting beaks are flat and broad with small holes on both sides. They take in muddy water which has small insects and worms. Mud and water flow through the holes, trapping the insects and worms in the beak. What are the uses of claws? Birds use their claws in walking, climbing, holding food, swimming and perching. How does a swallow catch its food? Swallow catches flies while flying. Their beak is sticky from inside. It helps them to catch the food. Write the name of the bird which cannot fly. Ostrich, penguin and kiwi are the examples of the birds which cannot fly. Now, my dear students, it's the time of entertainment. After reading, writing, there are some time for entertainment also. This is activity based questions, and I think all of you will enjoy it in doing this work. Question is given here. Here the pictures of different types of beaks of birds are given, and you have to draw it in your copy. So question is given here. Read it carefully. First, draw different types of beak and color it. Color as this is given here. You have to draw neat and clean, and then you will color all these beaks. Next question, write the name of types of beak. Which type of beak is it? You have to write the name of the types of beak. If you can take the help of Google also. Write 2 lines about each bird and usage of its beak. How these beaks are helping these birds, you have to write about it. Suppose duck, it has sifting beak. So write down here sifting beak and what are the special feature of sifting beak and what is the function of sifting beak. You have to write here in 1 or 2 lines about each and every types of birds and beaks. Note is also given here. So read it carefully and keep it in your mind. Make it colorful. First, simple means you have to use color pencils or color paint to draw it. Next one, marks will be given for it and must for all. This is all about your project work, activity. So marks will be provided for it. Use biosheet for it. It means you will take a biosheet paper, A4 size of paper, and then you will draw different types of beaks of the birds. And most important thing, that write your name, father's name, roll number and section. It is must at first at the top of the page you write your name, then father's name, roll number, section. Then you will draw it, and after draw, what is the next other question? You have to write it and then send to me on WhatsApp. Marks will be given by me. These all are about the activity based question. Next activity is draw different types of feet and claws and color it. All different types of feet and claws are given here, and here the types of birds it is also given, and you have to draw it and color it. Write the name of types of claws, and you can take the help of Google. Write 2 lines about each bird and their uses of its claws. Again same thing, colorful. You have to make it colorful, make it attractive. Marks will be given by me and you will use biosheet. First, at the top of the page, you have to write your name, father's name, roll number and section. I think all of you will enjoy it in doing this. Okay, have a nice day.